Yo, hello guys, and welcome to another video analysis. Actually, this will be just previous week market breakdown overall, what I shared with you and how the trades played out. So let's just look at pound against Canadian dollar. Let's see, and as you can see, price did tap the sell zone and did drop all the way down to first, second, and third target I had. Made structure manipulation obviously and for small time frames and buyers coming to the market, pushing the price higher. Great setup. Didn't really provide entry on small time frames here, but it was valid from 4 hour perspective and price did drop about 350 pips. I would say yeah, around 350 pips. So great setup, nice play, and you can see this buy zone was also blown through, so not really chance for buyers to come into the market. Stranded New Zealand dollar, I had some position orders still open here from previous week, but of course I wanted to see price to on Monday to retrace back from this buy zone up. As you can see, this did happen. Price made a low, made a high brace and structure here. I had been waiting for this from Monday, so it was literally 3 days and a half, and then price tapped this buy zone and it made a very nice about 3% of move. Uh, on a position, I did had some limit set here, but it was very small one, obviously, because I had other trades running as well. Great setup, can't really complain, but overall just nice price action, and that's it. Let's go forward. Euro Canada, this is a good setup from me on which day I think was Tuesday, I guess. Monday, Monday. On Monday, beautiful, about 3% gain on euro and dollar, and some volume still running. All the way down to this buy zone. Of course, wanted to see price to retrace because we saw how overbought this price is, and this did happen. Price did retrace with very nice, as I wanted to see this way of structure forming, and after that happened, of course, price did tap the zone and now nothing happened for a while because it's a bit boring price action, but still very nice trade, beautiful trade to be honest. US dollar against Canadian dollar, nothing really much happened. I would wanted to see firstly some sales setups from here to at least here, but this did not provide me because of the week right here. I think on the market open, or it was some news on London, actually London market open. After this week happened, obviously some liquidity was taken out, seller position was triggered, and price did get enough volume to break this low. From the new structure right here, wanted to see break of this, and at least then the price could come up. This did not happen, and boring price action overall. And on US oil, it was another picture. Then, as you can see, first target was hit for buyers. I wanted to see this kind of scenario, price coming up. As you can see, price did drop through my buy zone actually, but provided the setup and entry here, came all the way back up very beautifully. This are still valid zones to tap, and as you can see, just missed the validation of the structure. So if this will be broken, price would retrace lower, but this did not happen, so price continued higher. Great setup on US oil as well. Euro US dollar was a bit boring, nothing special. I wanted to see, of course, price coming lower. This did not happen, so I left out of Euro US dollar previous week. Nothing special really. Euro Australian dollar, that is a beautiful setup actually, as I shared with you. I wanted to see buys from here. I had one position here, as you can see, price came into about 1 to 1.5. Um, did not really provide a clean setup, or how could I say, opportunity or entry with my approach, 100% approach I use, not 100%, but the approach I use strategy. However, it was still valid from a 4 hour structure point, and this was the position that was triggered for me. And because of that, I had also was able to pass another Ftmo challenge. Of course, I trade on small time frames because price action was very clean for me. And I will just show you what happened. As you can see, we obviously had price was had a task to break this high. This high was the objective for me because on the 4 hour time frame we were in the buy zone. I wanted this price to see break, and I knew that this will act as a magnet in a way to drag a price higher, of course, and that's why I utilized and entered some setups on smaller time frames as well. to enter the position, and um, I had to think about three positions that were valid. Valid. Let's just look at this. As you can see, just clean structure and targeting this high could be obviously even higher. But as you can see, once I felt comfortable and I saw how structure looks like, into the position, and it was literally about 1 to 1 to 10 or something. So 1 to 13, I think, and with risk and everything, I managed to pass. Another after challenge, which is quite nice. I have to go now on second stage, but just good to see. Um, that's it, guys. So today I entered one position as well. Shared it with you and even in the Discord chat. So beautiful setup overall and very valid, as still this structure was not even validated yet. So I'm bullish on euro, Australian dollar, pound, Australian dollar. Great setup as well, as you can see. Price did increase firstly. It went up from this buy zone, and then it actually took out this low, still valid in this buy region right here for me, honestly. So if we just look now on small time frames, we got a setup. It was not really clear setup for me here. Actually it was. So as you can see, here was a clean entry even for buys here. But again, I satisfied honestly with my profit for this week, so I did not really look to trade on Friday, the end of Asian session. So, but great setup also here. Possible buys. Just have to be aware of this. And this may be a small 4-hour new trading range for sellers. So these are very well positions, but we can expect some reaction from this sell zone as well. Right here. Uh, as the JPY, I don't think I even posted this. No, actually, I did. Okay, what I wanted to see was, of course, price to come from this. Let me check something. Yeah, okay, apologize. I wanted to see price to come from this buy zone, up from this buy zone. And I said, yeah, I remember, I said for this one that it's a bit riskier. Why? Because we see the momentum to the downside is pretty strong, heavy. I think it was on the daily time frame, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, of course, it was on the daily time frame. And as you can see, this was Sunday daily close, Friday, Thursday daily close, and then on this one, and then this happened just blown through the buy zone. And I, of course, find the reason where it came to. So it came into this zone right here, this range. And after price tapped it, I wanted to see some willingness to go higher. As you can see, practice by the structure. Let's continue to the upside actually. I apologize for yawning. Know how it goes. But nothing special on NZD GPY, not the best part for previous week. Beautiful Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, as you can see, take profits hit the price really did retrace down from here. On the sell zone, I provided or I recognized or shared the idea with this low was broken, price made another low, and now just after this was happened, some others was probably from buyers field here, and it just pushed price back up. Uh, yeah, gold was beautiful as well, as you can see. Clean with gold sell zone. Price dropped for I don't know how much, 1,000 pips or something. And from here, this buy zone were, was triggered, of course, as you can see, buyers coming into the market. But it was not the best with the gold as well. I mean, to trade, but the still provided very good setups. So probably plenty of setups even on smaller time frames. I will just drop now to 15 minutes just to see. But gold is have to try to trade gold more honestly. Not a bad pair. Many people love it. One of the best pairs for people to trade. To make money and to lose it of course. But great overall look on gold. So just nice to see. Uh, DXI, of course, wanted to see price to retrace. This did not happen. That's obviously one of the reasons why euro US dollar is, I mean, did happen. Price did retrace, but not as sharply as I wanted. That's probably one of the reasons as well why euro is just standing still in a way, not moving that much. Um, I'll just go now for other pairs I had analyzed, or maybe I had something drawn on my chart just to quickly tell you what happened. You can learn from this. You can, it's probably a lot of things you can learn, or just to check it for yourself, and if you view it the same way, or just want to share my thoughts. But let's look at Euro Swiss franc. I was thinking waiting even here for a buy position. I'm not sure. I Yeah. So here was buy position waiting for, was not indeed need that because I was not at the charts at the time. And that's the cons of the small time frame trading, because you have to be on the chart. So anytime and I don't want to be slave to chart, so I just wanna utilize trading of higher time frames more. But it's good as well, profitable and valid setup here on Euro Swiss franc, as you can see with stops here. Obviously, this scenario played out as well. And yep, so this was two possible scenarios, and obviously the second one played out. So price is now probably going all the way back up to the sell zone. Great setup on Euro Swiss. Euro yen. Just common scenario with all pairs on yen. They skip to the sell to the buy zones, and this was nothing special here. GJ still in play with GJ. Um, Clean setup, to be honest. Not moving much as well, but very nice one to 2.5, I guess, or even small time frames. Let me just check. But I just missed this buy zone. I think I draw this a bit unfortunate. Doesn't matter, I'm just looking if the setup was valid or not. So as you can see, obviously setup was valid, and price is doing very nice movement even on pound against yen. As you can see, price even at low high trade structure came here back to this buy zone, and the objective was met first for the price. So now we can expect either for a new high to form, or for the structure to just change, shift direction. Pound to dollar, second scenario played out here as well. As you can see, price came to the sell zone, took out this low, came to this buy zone, and provided some direction for buyers. So again, even this one was correct. So many correct and valid setups from previous week, guys. Here's what a species price came into. Wait, let me just check where. I apologize for my voice. I had some. Just let me drink some water. Apologize a second. Okay, good. Let's check price came into this zone. Goes price structure. Going up, structure. Going up. Okay, no valid setups as well here on Udoras Visi. This looks really nice actually. We wanted, of course, for price again to rebalance the leg, or to come to make a retracement before going into another direction. As you can see, similar as other pairs, NZD or against yen. And then we have to check it, spread the structure. Okay, okay, and now price is trading to the sell zone. So now we can look for sell setup as well here in the sell zone, just for us to confirm our um, together what's internal for a small time frame, Australian dollar, US dollar. As you can see, it's good to trade no more pairs, because if you have more pairs on the watch list, then you can skip trading pairs like this, because from here price looked okay, but now as you can see, just some consolidation, some distribution, redistribution, markdown phase, some accumulation, then and then just price making some good structure consolidations, You don't want to really be trading in this kind of positions or this pair, especially not a small time frame because you can get liquidated very quickly. It's just so these weeks were mostly because price or institution, whoever you want to call it, wanted to liquidate smaller um, scalp traders, nothing huge. Swiss against franc, still expecting price to rise from this bison. It is well bison here, but looking at the price action here, price is taking too long to do anything, so probably this will just get a strong push to the downside. So let's do something. Not sure. But if not, we can still get bars. The position have to confirm some, mm, have to confirm some to see the sign of strength on small time frames. And then, of course, beautiful pair from the last week still waiting for price to target this hike. I think it will because as you can see, one, two, three times failed to really come lower. So probably this hike will get taken out and price will want to come into this zone right here. Great setup from I think was 1 week ago. Beautiful, really. Euro NZD similar as EurCad. And yeah, that's mostly it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this um, video breakdown of the pairs and what was happening. Um, it was my pleasure to talk to you about what was happening in the FX market this week. Obviously, if you need anything or any question regarding the trading or the setups, you can freely drop me a DM here on TradingView or even on Discord server. Discord username, I think you have it in the bio. Yeah, or just drop me here and tell me we're still working some things with Discord, but soon I will start more there also. And the members I have now, if you're satisfied with the service, and you will be also very soon. Um, but I said just enjoy your week. I will post new video analysis soon as well. This was mostly just to get you through the what was happening technical wise, what price did, and you will see that it really makes sense. So even on other pairs I did not share with you, I think there is some valuable knowledge in the video. So I hope you enjoyed. Have a great weekend, and I will speak to you very soon. God bless you. Take care. Bye.